Lenushi's kitchen.
Hello everyone, welcome to Nancy's kitchen. Today I'm going to make yummy chocolate balls. So let's go to the ingredients. I need melted milk chocolate, condensed milk, peanuts, desiccated coconuts. Now I'm going to tell you how to make chocolates. First cut the chocolate into small pieces. Then take a boiling water bowl. Place a glass bowl on top of it. Then add milk chocolates. Mix it until it is completely melted. Do it very carefully because the water is very hot. Let's start. Now take a milk chocolate. Add 3 teaspoons condensed milk into the melted chocolates.